Search your feelings. You know this to be true. Now, join the dark side, and together we can rule the kitchen and bring balance to dessert.
Well, that's enough of the dark side of baking. Let's go ahead and talk about something equally powerful and mysterious: analysis. Just as baking involves skill, attention to detail, and a dash of creativity, so too does analysis. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So what is analysis? Analysis is the process of examining a complex subject or a problem by breaking it down into its smaller parts. The underlying reason for doing this is to uncover any patterns, relationships, or underlining meanings, and to use that to inform conclusions or just an overall understanding of that subject. So analysis is some pretty consequential stuff, but we don't have to get all academic-y about it. Think about it this way. If you're in the kitchen preparing to bake a batch of cookies, you don't simply throw a bunch of random ingredients into the oven and just hope for the best. Instead, you carefully consider ingredients, proportions, mixing techniques, ordering, and time, and you observe as your creation transforms in the oven. Analysis involves breaking down a complex subject or problem into its individual components, observing, measuring, and examining each one closely. The core takeaway here is that analysis involves complexity. A cookie, seemingly simple, is actually composed of numerous components: flour, sugar, butter, leavening agents, flavorings, and they interact in a delicate balance to produce the desired outcome. Just as the right combination of ingredients leads to delicious cookies, the systematic examination of patterns and relationships and analysis leads to insightful conclusions and a deeper understanding of the subject at hand.
Now at this point, I'm sure you're dying to understand the power of the dark.
Sorry, everyone. I got a little carried away there. I'm sure you're dying to understand how to do analysis effectively. And for that, we're going to talk about a three-part strategy for doing analysis. And that is looking at what, how, and why. And we'll do that in our next video.